is recorded. We have started recording. We have started the recording. So now, what do you do? Come here now. So now, I want to show you that thing now before I start. Before I will go and download. You know, first of all, okay. I'll first of all go to what layout. Then I will choose blank. All right. So now, what I was trying to say is that when you click on insert, shapes. God bless you, my dear. Click on shapes. Then now let's use over. Then order over. I do like this. So in this over now, then I come to fill color. I say no fill. Fill color. I say no fill. Now I have something. Let me just give it line color black. Line color black. So if I like, I can increase the line by coming to line weight. So under weight, I increase it like this, right? Now see exactly what I was telling you that time. So just come here now. Choose curve. Let me choose curve or something like this nature. Or I can choose this curve. So I choose this curve. Then I draw. So when I draw, I use this arrow to curve it very well. Now let me rotate it. Now let me move it. Now probably this how it is. Then let's go to line weight and give it the same line weight. Then I say line color should be black. Then now come there again under insert shapes. Then choose you can use freeform to do it, and you can also use curve to do it. So if you use freeform, then just draw like this, then W to release. Now I'm going to increase the line weight also as usual. That is not what you are doing, no. I'm just showing you what you can do, how you can be creative. Oh, this line is somehow. Let me go and use curve. Let me go and use curve. So I go to insert shapes curve. Then I draw another curve here. So now let me curve it very well. Now go to color, then increase the weight. Okay. Now rotate it. Now bring it down here. Then duplicate it, Ctrl D. Bring it down here. Rotate it. So probably it's too long, all this thing. So this is like a mouth. Whereas this here now is here. It's here. And this line like this is not. And because they pull high. Inside, shapes, over here. Then weight, this, then light color black, then shape fill, say no color. Then duplicate it. It's getting the same way. It's assembly before put the leg, you put the hand, you move it. You can even put leg, you can even put nose here. You can even put nose here. It's construction. Everything is construction. All those things is construction. It's construction. But it's not for lazy people, people that feel like, this thing is tiring. No. It must be tiring. You must be ready to do something meaningful. You get it right now? So before then what do? You need to put animation. You can even put the small eye here. If you don't want this other eye, you can even do it this way, shapes, and put one eye here. Then down will be black. Let me reduce the size. You can duplicate it. It's creativity. It's getting different, I mean. It's getting different. It's creativity. You can put what is this one? Eyebrow, I mean. You can put the eyebrow. You can put the nose here. You can begin to, before it becomes real. Before they send it to 3D. You can find it to 3D. Now look like a that 3D like human being. Now look like human being. This thing starts from somewhere. It's creativity. Sure, it's not that now. All right, now let's go to. This is not what we wanted to do. So I'm just trying to tell you that we can create cartoons. If they have to communicate, you create another one here. You know, what this one will say, you would have recorded it. What this one will say, you would have recorded it. Then you use the animation to begin to demonstrate. Yeah, and it will start. But it's not a day job. You don't think it's what you just do today and yeah, you start seeing results. It's what you can. It can be if it's a project you really mean business. Yeah, it's a project. It could take you 1 month. It can take you 2 months to achieve good results. Am I communicating? All right, so now let's go here and download what all of, everything we want to download. So let me see. Okay, okay, it's connected. So it's loading. This is has to load. Okay. So now come here, say cars. Now I can download car in PNG and I can also download in JPG. What is the difference between the two? What is the difference between the two? With PNG, it will not have what? Background, God bless you. But if I download with JPG, it will have background. The full meaning of JPG is John Picture Embedded Graphics or John Picture Graphics. Then PNG is Portable Network Graphics. So I'm going to images. I'm going to images. So now I want a straight car. Now all these cars have background, right? So and if you download with cars that with background, you know you can remove it. Have I taught you before? Eh? I've taught you, have you? And I've taught you. I've not taught you. Okay, let me just do one. So let's say let me select the one that is going straight because I want you to be maybe this. Then I have this. Then right click and say save image. Save image. I'm saving it in the download. Let me just say car so that I can easily locate it. Car. Then I say save. Okay. Then let me see if I have some other ones. I want the one that is just straight perfectly because of the way I want to design that thing. Okay. Now I can't find it. So let me go back again. Let me say dot JPG. Now I'll wrote another one out. So maybe this one will be okay. But let me just work on that one first. So now if you want to remove the background of that one, what do you do? Select it. Then come here. Say remove dot background. Eh? Remove dot VG. So it will look like this. Then upload the image you want to remove the background. Upload it. So see the image. Then say open. It will start removing the background. Wipe off. Can you see that? Everything is what? So you can use it now. So now I can now download it. Come here and download it. Download. So card. Say save. Hey, where did I download to? I don't know. Let me confirm it. Where am I downloading it to? Okay, under download. Okay. Now, let's go back there. Let's go back here now. Car.png. .png. So now it means yes, it means once it's PNG, it should not have a background. But some will still come with background anyway. But it's not left to you to remove it. So now let's say I need this one. Then right click and say save image. Save image. Let me just say car2 and now download. Okay. So let's look for another one. Okay, let's look at this one. Then save image. Then car3. You can save. Let's look at another one. Okay. It's already what? 10 minutes. Okay, let me pause it.